finished the wrap. Now it's time to put a little icing on the cake. Fittipaldi hooked us up with these 24x12 gloss black milled. Now I've seen them online, but I have not seen them in person yet. So I'm pretty excited to open these things up, check them out. Wow, these things are crazy. Take a look at that. Now I've only seen pictures of these on their website and I really fell in love with them, but seeing them in person, wow, these are gonna look so sick on this truck. So we are going to get these mounted up and get them on the truck. But first, can't put these 24s on without a little lift. CWO and ReadyLift hooked us up with this 4-inch lift to give us the clearance we're gonna need for these tires. We just wrapped up putting on the wheels, the lift. See that wrap? Ready to hit the road.
I want to give a huge thank you to CWO, Fittipaldi Off-Road, ReadyLift, and Venom Power for making this all come together. And if you're looking for any tires, wheels, or lift, check out shopcwo.com.